Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate fast charging on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Fast charging is a convenience, especially for individuals who are constantly on the go and have limited time to charge their devices. It is allow them to top up their battery quickly, even if they only have a short amount of time available. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First of all, please open Settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. After that, select Place Battery and Device Care menu. Okay, and then in this page, you can click Battery option. And then please scroll down. Well, and then you can select More Battery Settings. Okay, after that, here you can enable the following options. Okay, so now the fast charging on your device is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable fast charging on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.